Sassy Shoe Social fans, I'm Cherie with the Sassy Shoe Social, and I'm here with
Katrina with Clean Our Cans.
And guess what, guys? They are turning 5 years old,
That's
right?
5 years.
5 years in business, and they are teaming up with the Sassy Shoe Social to do a name your own price.
That's right. It's a one-time clean, name your price to raise proceeds for Phoebe's house.
That's awesome. So what they do is they'll give us half of whatever you name, and I just ask that you please put at least 20 bucks on there so it's worth their gas to go out there and celebrating their 5th anniversary. That's so awesome.
It is awesome. I just want to say thank you guys for all of your support through the years.
Thank you. We love it, because without you, our trash cans would not be smelling lemon fresh.
That's right.
So I'm sure with the weather, your trash cans aren't smelling all that great, because 100 degrees and smelly trash cans really don't go together. But guess what? Clean Your Cans does go with your trash can to make it smell lemon fresh. And I also want to add that they are also a woman-owned business. Did y'all know that? And check this out. Look at their truck. They are also veterans. Isn't that awesome? So yay! So thank you so much for being in our community and making our community great.
That's right. Thank you.
Thanks. See